What is up, you guys? Rabbit Commander here. So tonight is pager test night, and this thing here has been going off like crazy for pager tests and fires and other stuff. EMS calls, fire, different kind of things like that. But tonight is pager test night. So here in like a minute or so, less than a minute, this will be going off for pager test. Here we go. Pager test.
Imperial Fire, EMS pager test. Imperial Fire, EMS pager test. WQBL 797, 1830. Lamar Fire pager test. Lamar Fire pager test. WQBL 797, 1830.
Thought there was going to be one more. Sorry. So that is pager tests on my Radio Shack Weather Alert 200 channel scanner that I got at Goodwill for $2.99. So yeah, that's pager tests for you guys. I actually got home a couple minutes before 6:30, so I could do this. So that's kind of nice to be home before it and do it. So keep subscribing and liking and commenting. Rabbit Commander out.